12 right. Turbojet aircraft expect runway 12 right for departure. VFR departure design ground control direction of departure. Advise on initial contact. You have A2 information echo.
Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is John. Kyle's flying with us right now.
What's up, guys?
And we're going to be doing the Casa Grande stack today. So we're going to show you a little bit about what it's like to fly out one of the notorious instrument approaches, I guess, in Arizona. And a lot of places on Reddit I see know what the Casa Grande stack is, so we thought it would be fun to show you what it's like having sometimes 8 to 10 people holding 500 feet around each other. Basically, the stack goes, it's a holding pattern, and there's a couple instrument approaches on it, and it goes from all the way from 3,500 all the way up to sometimes 9,000 feet. So we got 500 feet of separation between all the airplanes, and you're going to hear all the chatter, and it's pretty fun, and we thought you would enjoy it. So currently, we just departed Gateway off of 12 right. We got sidetracked to heading a 180. We had an Allegiant Airbus A320 take off on runway 12 right. So they diverted us a little bit to the south and then gave us on-course approved. Last time we kind of showed you what a Santan departure is like. This time we're doing a Johnson Ranch departure, and we're going to be headed towards Casa Grande, specifically Stanfield VOR, in a couple seconds here. Kyle, how's your week been?
It's been good.
Yeah?
Yeah, been flying with lots of students.
It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good time. This is my second week of instructing, so I'm really enjoying it so far. It's been really fun.
Good.
Approach altitude to Stanfield.
Stanfield traffic, Sioux 622 is taking the approach altitude, 4,500 to open to Stanfield.
Another weird thing about Stanfield that I've always noticed is the air is super rough right over Stanfield. So like, I think because everyone is going through in a plane like at that exact point, it gets really turbulent just because of the air being so rough around there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So basically, we thought that we were going to be able to show you guys holding at Stanfield, but today, I guess we're kind of lucky because there's actually no one there. So
That's the way it happens sometimes.
yeah, sometimes when you want it to be busy, it's not. Then, you know, all the other times when you don't want it to be busy, it's super busy. But anyway, we're actually going to be able to cross Stanfield at 3,800, which is the approach altitude over Stanfield for the ILS. And basically we're going to cross Stanfield, fly outbound, and then fly the procedure turn inbound, and then we'll be able to go straight in on the ILS runway 5. So even though we can't show you holding at Stanfield, we'll still be able to show you guys the ILS approach, which will still be pretty cool.
Stanfield traffic, Sears 238 here, AQ request top of stack.
Top of stack is approach altitude, 4,500 to open to Stanfield.
Stanfield traffic, Sears 238 here, Yankees, 19 miles to the north. We're going to be taking 4,500 in approximately 7 minutes. Stanfield traffic.
So like we were saying before, there's a ton of flight schools in Arizona. We have our flight school, we have a couple other ones that are very large schools too. And we have a lot of students from around the world who train here too. So it's not just Americans who train here, we have people from Asia, Europe, South America, all over the world. So it's a pretty diverse group of pilots who fly out in the desert here.